Installing WordPress on InfinityFree is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. Here's how to do it. Create an account. First, visit the InfinityFree website and sign up for a free account. Provide your email and password to register. Choose a domain. After signing up, you can create a new free subdomain or use a custom domain on your own. Access the control panel. Log into your InfinityFree account and navigate to the control panel. Here, you will manage your hosting settings. Download WordPress. Visit the WordPress.org website and download the latest version of WordPress in a zip file. Upload WordPress files. In the InfinityFree control panel, use the file manager or an FTP client to upload the extracted WordPress files to the htdocs folder of your chosen domain. Create a MySQL database. In the control panel, find the MySQL databases section to create a new database. Know the database name, username, and password. Run the installation. Visit your domain in a browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up WordPress, entering the database details when prompted.